Hey YouTube, it's your girl Anel Lewis here, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've been here before, drop in the comments and say, hey, what's going on, girl? I'm doing this video today because I got something. The By the Pool collection is a beautiful collection that just launched on Louis Vuitton, and there are some pieces on there that I truly love, even the ready-to-wear items. But because I'm not naturally into colors, pinks, and things like that, I could not pull the trigger on a few of the pieces that I enjoyed because that's a full commitment, and I know I probably wouldn't wear it. But when I saw this item, being that it's an item I've had on my wish list for a while, I decided to pull the trigger since it was part of the By the Pool collection. Unique, you know what I mean? So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. So how I got this item, I text my essay and sent her a photo of this piece, and she told me that it wasn't in yet and that I would have to place an order in a week, like a few days. I was so surprised at how fast it came. I have a mall here, a Louis Vuitton mall. I don't like going to the mall. So I would rather order things online, and thankfully I have an essay that I can order things through. The package came just like this with the bow. No little card. Usually there's a little note card thing, like if you wanted to gift it for someone, but no card. Just came beautifully wrapped in the small little box. She also did send me a bag, which was really nice of her, so I have that stored as well. So let's get into, oh, and it also came with the standard dust bag. Isn't she just beautiful? I got myself the Maxi Dragonne key holder, style number M00286. Look at how beautiful this is. This cream color is gorgeous. Look at that. Right now online it just says call for availability. It's out of stock. So I think you guys, if you're interested, should reach out to your essay and place an order because this item is gorgeous. It retails for $400. With tax I pay $428. And I think it's a really good price because it is, the original Dragonne key is $315 before tax. So with this just being a little bit thicker, and it's not canvas, it's actual leather, I think that's a pretty good deal. I will say, guys, that I am concerned about using this. I naturally am a person who enjoys using her items. I take care of them. And I'm afraid what my oils in my hands may do to this, because I'm not always careful when it's, you know, my keys. So I don't know how I should baby this. If you guys have any tips as to how I could preserve the color and not get it stained super fast, or I'm worried about it even being in like my bags and stuff. You guys let me know what you think. Please leave a comment down below. Share your opinions. Let me know if you're getting anything from this collection, or if you've gotten anything from this collection. Be sure to, again, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Bye.